Does anyone else just like sleep on their bed like the opposite way? Like my pillow is here and my feet are here. So I'm extremely normal.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first squishy haul for just ever. Sorry my hair's a mess. I just woke up from a nap and let's get started.
Take note that I keep looking up because there's a mirror there and I just look at myself a lot because I'm beautiful. No, I'm just kidding. There's a mirror up there and I'm just addicted to look at myself, so. You might want to turn your volume up to this because it's a little bit quiet.
So I'm going to be doing my 3 minis first. Just take note that these are my first squishies ever, so there's only 7 squishies I'm going to be doing, so stick around, it's not going to be that long. Okay, so my first mini squishy is this cake, Smushy Mushy. It's a little bit defected on the eyelet, but everything else is fine. It's quite slow rising for the size. I really enjoy squishing this. It's like the perfect slow risingness, like you don't have to wait a minute for it to rise back up again. And yeah, I just really enjoy squishing this. So my next mini Smushy Mushy squishy is this milk, chocolate milk. It says milk right here and has a little kawaii face. This one is a bit more dense, like, cause I don't know, it's just very different materials. So this one is like more rubbery and stuff and it feels a lot smoother than the other one and less slow rising, but that's fine. I really squish this one anyway, but it's extremely cute. So you're probably yelling at me, squish it, squish it, squish it, squish it. See, not that exciting. Here, see the difference between these two. This one is clearly way more slow rising, but it doesn't mean I hate this one. I absolutely love this pattern. So now for our last mini Smushy Mushy, the best friend, is this really cute.
Just in case any of you didn't hear me, I said really cute, not Rilakkuma. I don't have any licensed squishies. Besides, yeah, these aren't licensed.
Donut. It is like a little bit denser than this one and less slow rising, but it's still really cute. It's got this little bite and a boat. It's got a kawaii face as well. Pretty sure this mouth is called a hamster mouth or hamster face. So that is all my small mushies and my best friend Smushy Mushies. And now my big ones. So here is Labella Lamb, I'm pretty sure. This one is like pretty, like really, it's like really smooth and pretty dense, but it's very slow rising and squishy. This is like a stress reliever one, more like a stress reliever. It's got like a little lollipop lolly thing at the top. It's got a little pink face and it's adorable. I absolutely love this lamb. Next, like big Smushy Mushy thing is this koala. It's got a little cake and a raspberry at the top. And it's very matte. I love matte squishies and I think I got some cuticle oil on this by accident. It's okay, I dried it off, it's all good. So, got a really big nose and it's like a little bump, but no one cares. This one is probably the most slow rising out of all my Smushy Mushies. Okay, so my last Smushy Mushy that I'm going to be showing you is actually the first one I unboxed, and is this bear. I'm pretty sure this is Bela or Bear, And this one is so soft. It's like the softest out of all of these ones. And I love squishing this one as an actual squishy. But like these two are more like stress relievers because it's harder, if that makes sense. But this one is like squishy. It's got like a little chocolate waffle with whipped cream and a bow, and it's got a little face. It's really cute. And that's all my smushy mushies. So my last squishy, that is just from a bookshop. Dimmix. Okay. So this one is from Dimmix, a bookshop, and it's this stress reliever of Australia, where I'm from. And I really like this one for like stress relieving because it's like a denser squishy, so you can squeeze it harder. And it's like a sticky squishy like Panda Buns, and I just really like this one, like just like for going like this and stuff. It's just really satisfying. It's close up. Like it's sticky. And that's what I love in squishies. I love soft and squishy. So thank you guys for watching this really short squishy haul. In about 2 weeks I'm going to be doing this massive squishy unboxing with about 32 squishies, 25 mochis and a few foam squishies. So please stick around for that, and without further ado, I'm out. Goodbye.